This week is the Thanksgiving holiday in the US, so let's ask Dyad's AI agent to help us build a thermal model of a turkey. Like all good engineers, we assume the turkey is spherical and ask for a discretized model formulation, including convection and radiation in the oven, with geometry-based parameterization. Once we review the formulation, we ask the agent to implement the model. We get a summary of the model implementation and some initial simulation results. Cooking a turkey safely requires meeting an internal temperature target, typically 165 degrees Fahrenheit. So we ask the agent to simulate longer and create plots showing the temperatures and indicating the time when the temperature has reached its target. Here we can see that our roughly 11-pound turkey is done cooking at around 3.5 hours at an oven temperature of 350 Fahrenheit, definitely a reasonable value. Now let's ask the agent for an animation of the temperatures. We get this nice visual showing the transient radial temperature profile, target temperature, and also the doneness indicator. There's also animation of the radial temperature slices. Now that we have seen some results, we can look at the Dyad model created by the agent. The model matches our specification and is discretized and fully parameterized in terms of the geometry, thermophysical properties, oven conditions, and the discretization. Let's ask the agent to restructure the model to make it component-based. Here is the new model rendered in the diagram using the auto layout capability in Dyad. Everyone has their favorite way to cook a turkey, so let's ask the agent to do a sensitivity study on the oven temperature. The results clearly show the trade-off between cooking time and the surface temperature. Make sure to leave enough time to cook your turkey safely without overcooking and drying it out. From all of us at JuliaHub, we wish you a happy Thanksgiving. Stay tuned for more Agentic videos in this series, and if you're interested in learning more about Dyad or have any questions, you can reach us at sales@juliahub.com.